Have you ever thought about changing careers? Maybe you've been developing Java, you want to do mobile, or you've been developing C and now want to learn Java. Or maybe you're like Eduardo that sent me a question this morning over Facebook asking, he's a DBA and he wants to learn how to program, how to do development. And that's a very, very common question that I get all the time. How do I start developing, or how I change careers, how I do something else. Um, and so we are here at the Java tour around the US, and I'm in this beautiful city, Austin, and we're going to be traveling all over the US discussing about software developer career and Java 9 and Java EE8 and lots of other cool things. And every day I'm going to give you a tip, a career tip. So, how about you want to change careers? The first thing you got to do is understand who you are. It's very, very important that you understand that you're changing careers. You're not doing a brain transplant. It's still you, right? And everything you did in your life will be important for everything else that you do from now on. All your experience that you had, they're going to be valid and they're going to be important for everything that you're going to experiment from now on. So if you want to change careers, but look at ways of what you've learned in the past can help you in your new career path. So, for example, Eduardo wants to do software development in Java. He said that he wants to dive right into Java, and that's great. Being a software developer is such a great thing. It's such a great opportunity, and but he's been a DBA for a long time. So what could he do in the Java land that would benefit from his past DBA experiment, right? So he could work with things like Hibernate, for example, or he could work with big data, or maybe he could start developing by developing JavaDB. That's an open source database written in Java. I mean, there's so many things that he can connect what he was, what he is, with what he wants to be. And so that's the same thing. If you want to do a new technology, you want to do a new thing in your life, and that's great, right? Because it's if once you understand who you are, once you understand your past, once you understand how you get where you are right now, you can use this as a benefit from to going forward. So you can be unique, right? You can be very, very, whatever you choose to do next, you can be unique. You can be different from everyone else because you're bringing with you your past experience, right? So see what is that you did in the past. What is that you working on? What is technology that you know? What are the projects you had? The experience you had? And how all of those things can help you in creating your new experience in your new career. And once you do this, what's going to happen is that you will become this new developer, or you're going to do this new technology in a way that no one else are doing, right? And you're going to be a great, right, a great person, a great developer, someone that will solve problems in a different way. So in this tour, we're going to have a very, very good friend of mine, Ian Schessler. We're actually going to do interviews with him in a minute. But Ian is he started his career as an artist, and he went in software development because that was a great way of doing art in the digital world. And today he's an open source developer doing all kinds of very cool Java stuff. And he always brings with him all of his this past as being an artist. So if you do this, that's going to be great for you, and you can always go forward and invest on new ways of your career, invest on new path of your career, because you're not breaking with your past. It's the other way around. You're using your past to take you into the future. So keep watching, because every day we're going to bring you some cool and interesting ideas for you to improve your career. Thanks.